Saucy, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Saucy, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. This is everything you learn with a little bonus on the end. We started with a sugar push. Walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk. This is totally fine. Leaders always either go back, back, or they go back, cross. That way we can get ourselves into a cutoff whip, triple step. We also showed you could take that cutoff whip, triple step, rotating her on 6, triple step. That goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step. I can also rotate as she rotates. 1, 2. I continue rotating in the same direction with the behind the back pass. From here, we can do a cutoff whip with the same preparatory motion. 1, 2, down and up, turn, turn, down and up. Finishing with a sugar push, triple step to switch the hand. Everything you learn with a bonus on the end goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, cut off whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, cut off whip with an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step into the hammer lock, keeping it nice and basic right now. Step, triple step, saucy. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Finishing with whatever version you want. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee.